Alright guys, Ton Jones here with a little research and destruction. Today we're going to be trying two exploding targets. See which one's better. We have our Tannerite, which is pretty well known. Two-part, mix it together, shake it up, and it goes boom. Then we have this stuff that my friends told me about called Sure Shot. And I asked, hey, what's better? What makes the bigger boom? What's more impressive? So he sent me over a pound of Sure Shot and some of the Super Magnum, the 22 sensitive stuff. So we're actually going to take this, I'm going to mix two of them together. I'm telling my buddy Hoops that I have two targets for him to shoot, and I'm not telling him which one's which. We're going to put them out in the field and have him shoot at them both and see what his opinion is, so it's unbiased. Okay. The one with the green tape is Tannerite. The one that has just the white around in the bag is Sure Shot. Now, I'm going to go tell him to get a rifle. We're going to sit out and do it one at a time. The first one we're going to do is the Tannerite. You know that and I know that, he doesn't. The second one we're going to do is this one, is the Sure Shot. Let's see what kind of mess. My buddy Kerry Hoops, he's going to take off and shoot our first explosive target. When you're ready, go for it.
Going hot.
You hit it.
Thought I did.
You hit it.
What was that? Is that Tannerite?
I ain't telling you. Shoot it again. Two shots. It went off. All right, let's set the next one out there. Now, let's see what number two does.
Number two. That was in my face. Going hot. Nice.
Holy crap. Wow. So,
I like that.
which one did you like better?
I like the second one.
The second one is Sure Shot. The first one that took two shots to hit was Tannerite. On a side-by-side comparison, I'm going to have to say the Sure Shot's a lot better. What do you think, bro?
Absolutely. I think so. I like it. I'll
So-
be buying some.
Now the downside is I got to go get more. We got about 1.5 pounds left. We got 1.5 pounds left.
Good.
You need to find me something I can blow up. We'll be right back. Find me something to blow up.
How about your car?
Watch your mouth. I'm telling my wife on you. Going hot.
Going hot.
Holy crap.
Oh my god.
What the damn hell?
I just heard some corn land on top of the shop.
Holy hell. He wasn't joking. Wow, that was 1 pound.
That was
Oh
good.
yeah. We're ordering more of that. Hot damn. Yeah. Dude, we gotta get more of it. Well, that settles it. Definitely a Sure Shot over Tannerite. Let's go get some more corn and more explosives.
Let's do it.
Sweet.